Hello, I'm Ian Bearder, and I'm going to give you a very quick, brief overview of the Everyrun platform. But before I start, I'd just like to remind everyone that the real magic of Everyrun takes place at our events, on the racetrack, in the parks, or using our virtual solution where people are out running, getting fit, and collaborating with each other, socializing, and enjoying all the benefits of sports. But still, it's all run by the Everyrun platform, or it's all enabled by the Everyrun platform. So I'm going to give you a very quick overrun of the main features. They are the user profile and the events. So how to use the site as a runner or somebody that wants to run. Um, the race organizer features that how you can organize races or runs where you are and how you can use the system to make money. And finally, I'll talk a little bit about the virtual running solution that we developed over the last year. So we'll start with the how to use Everyrun as a runner if you want to run. So there's an event search here, and the latest, the upcoming events are listed here on the homepage. And again, here, a more detailed event search system here, so you can find events. I'll show you once you've found an event you like. It's got all the standard data here: start and finish time, location, race type, distance, and price. This one is a free event. It's of type run day. So run day events are always free and they're always 5 kilometers. So I can register here. Registration is not mandatory for free events, but you can still register. And there's all the information here about the event. This one is in Ukraine, so the information is all in Ukrainian. So we have this powerful sort of event search. You can also find past events. So if you ran at a specific event, you can find them here, but they're also available at your profile. And I'll just show you the race time, so we can come here and view the race results. There we go. And this is all the participants listed in order of their finishing time, pace, and finish time. And at the bottom, a list of the organisers, so the people that worked at the event and made everything possible, and their role in the organising team. Okay, so also as a user, you have your own profile. So you can also see, I can have a look at my runs. So these are events that I'm registered for, and these are events that I've participated in. So I can always find the race results. And we have a profile page. So this is your kind of, it's a little bit social, like a social network. You can share your profile and you can view the profile of other runners, but it doesn't give any personal data. So this is really your public runner profile. So obviously name, a little description of me. Here I can see my QR code, and I can save or print the QR code. This is unique to all runners. All runners get a runner ID and a QR code, which they can use to join any of our events. The top section here, you have total events visited, total runs. So an event can have many runs. That's why I've visited 15 events, but I've run at 42 runs. I've run 9 virtual runs, run 217 kilometers, and there's my average pace, total running time. You have achievements here distances that you've unlocked. So I think this is 1, 3, 5, 10, half marathon, marathon distances, fairly standard running distances, list of the events that I've visited. And this is really the core of our gamification. It's the t-shirts, the number of run t-shirts. So after running 10 runs, you get your 10 run t-shirt. 25 runs, you get your 25 run t-shirt, etc., etc. So I'm almost there with my 50 run t-shirt, and other runners I know have run 250, some almost 500 times. So this is as a runner, this is how you find events and join them. Now I'm going to show you quickly and how you view your own personal data. I'm going to show you now how to use it as an organizer. So if you register as an event organizer, you have additional dashboard. It's a little bit like Airbnb, I guess, where you can be a guest or you can be a host, and there is a different set of tools available to our organizers. So you'll see the dashboard here. We'll start at the top. So organizers have this event timing app. It's available on the Google Play Store and the the Apple's App Store. You can download this, and this is a very simple solution for timing your events and providing runners with their race times. It works by scanning the runner QR codes that you saw on the previous profile, and it's a very quick and easy way of publishing race results. And then here, you can see the dashboard is organized by events, really. So, like I said, one event can have many runs. And I'll show you that in a minute. You also have information on any payments received and analytics about how many people have participated in your events or run at your events. So I'll just show you here. If we look at these are events organized by me, so this is my dashboard. So if we go to Ljubljana Tivoli Run Day, this is the event, and you'll see within the event there are a series of runs. So this was a weekly run. It ran over 5 weeks, and there is one run each week. It could also be 5 runs on the same day, or normally you could have, for example, a 2K run for kids, 5K run, 10K run, and 20K run, let's say, all a part of the same event on the same day, but different distances. And each run has its own ticketing. So you can set ticket price for 5K, ticket price for 10K, etc. Okay, and if we go in to look at a specific run here, okay, this is a past run, so we already see that the number of participants that ran. There's the results table, and there's also the option to upload photos for that event, and you've got details about any payments. So again, this was a free event, so there was no payment, so there's no data there. I think that's mostly it for organisers. It's what we do is we make it super easy to create event listings. So we have these listings. We make it super easy for runners to register. You saw me register for the free event. If that was for a paid event, it would then take me to the payment processing. We handle payments, and then we pay out to our organisers once a month. We also make it super easy to upload the race results. Like I said, if you use the timing solution, it's even easier. You just upload the file. Once you're happy, you click publish, and the race results are published online. You get this results table that we saw earlier, and all of your runners, participants, receive an email thanking them for running with their race times. So a lot of it is all automated, and we try to provide as many of the features as possible to make life as easy as possible for race organisers. You can also see there's some shortcuts here to if you want to quit a short event, shortcut to create a new event. Once you've created the event, you can then, so if we go into an event here, you can then add additional runs from the dashboard here. Okay, finally, I'd like to talk about the virtual run solution. So over the last year to 18 months, we've been working on the Everyrun virtual running app. This was requested by race organisers in Lithuania who wanted an easy way to engage more runners and get more people running at their events without all of the effort and work of organising an offline event. So, it's quite difficult to organise an offline event. Takes up a lot of time, and sometimes you need permission, you need to close streets, etc., etc. So the virtual running app now means that any event on the Everyrun platform can be an offline, a regular run, can also be a virtual run, or it can be either. So it means if you have a hybrid event where you're offline and virtual, runners that can't make it to your event, maybe because they've got family commitments, travel commitments, or work commitments, they can still buy a ticket and they can run virtually using the app. So they open the app, join the event. When they're ready to run, click start, and it tracks their, it's a little bit like Strava, it tracks their path, their distance, and it auto completes when they've hit the event distance. They can then submit their time and be included in the race results. You can have purely virtual events also where everybody runs using the app. And in many ways, that makes life even easier. So you can still meet and run together, but everyone just runs using the app. Or, of course, you can have a kind of global event where people join virtually from wherever they are. It's a very good way of increasing revenue, and we've seen The London Marathon last year sold as many virtual tickets. I think there was 50,000 runners and 50,000 virtual runners. So it can be used as a way of doubling revenue for your events. Okay, that's it. That's the basic overview of the core elements of the Everyrun platform. It's a work in progress. We keep adding new features, and we keep looking for new ways to help people run and help organizers organize events. And we would be happy to answer any questions or listen to any suggestions you have. Feel free to reach out to either me, Ian Bearder, or my co-founder, Alyona Lysenko. Thank you.